Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Chevy Cobalt battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your car is off and the parking brake is set. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes from potential battery acid. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Your Chevy Cobalt battery is usually found under the hood, often on the passenger side. Always disconnect the negative terminal first. This is crucial for preventing electrical shorts. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable. Next, disconnect the positive terminal, and finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp. This sequence ensures a safe removal process. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully lift the old battery out and place your new battery into the tray. Before connecting anything, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly. This ensures a good connection and prevents corrosion. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, tightening both securely with your 10mm wrench. Double-check all connections. After installation, perform a few final checks. Make sure all connections are tight and the battery is firmly secured in its tray. Then, start your Chevy Cobalt to confirm the new battery is working correctly and all electrical systems are functioning. If everything looks good, you're all set. For other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.